Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the 2019 post UME exams, okay, and your screening and how you can prepare for it. All right, you've seen your JAM results, so the next thing now is to start preparing for your post UME exam and screening. All right, and I'm going to be giving you some few tips on how to prepare for your exam and screening. Okay, before we get on to that video, if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube, okay, where we support students with free videos on maths and physics to help you in your exams, your JAM exams, your WAEC, post-UME, your NECO, your GCE, even your junior WAEC, name it. We're here to support you in your education in maths and physics, and we do all our videos right here from Lagos, Nigeria. All right, so if this is your first time, please try to click the subscribe button, okay? Subscribe to our channel to make us grow, to also support me, support this ministry, please, to move forward. Let us grow, please. Okay, I know it's an educational channel, it's quite slow, but I know that with your support, this channel is going to grow faster. So please support this channel, share this channel with your friends, family, your colleagues, your loved ones. You know how this channel has supported you in your exams, your previous exams, in your JAM and your WAEC. So please share with others. All right, please try to share. All right, okay. And if you have any comments or question, please drop a comment below on several things you need to know about the forthcoming post-UME exams. And before I end this video, I'm also going to be giving out some free post-UME past questions. So make sure you watch, so you know how you can get yours. Okay. So don't forget to visit our blog dtwtutorials.com. That's our website where you have free resources, your syllabus, several resources which I'm also going to be uploading to help you in your academics. All right, okay, so let's get on to the video now. Okay, so how do you prepare for your post-UME 2019 exams? All right, I've done this video last year. Now I'm also doing an updated version of this video now. So there are three key things to do. Now the first thing is you have to know your school's admission screening method. All right, some schools you have to go online, you have to register, and I think JAM has there's a payment you have to do, but JAM has pegged the minimum, in fact no, the maximum price, I think 2,500 naira per university, so they can't charge you more than that. All right, or I think it's 3,000, between the range of 2,000 3,000. That's what JAM has pegged the amount as. Okay, so you have to know your school's admission screening method. Okay, for you to do that now, the internet is quite full of information. So the first thing you need to do is go on Facebook. Okay, these are tips I'm giving you. Go on Facebook, go to the school that you filled in your choice, your university of choice. Go check for groups and belong to those groups. All right, so join those groups, okay, and you get enough information on when the school wants to start their post-UME registration and all. Okay, I know most schools start post-UME registration and their exams from, I think, July, ending August, September, October, those months. Okay, so from July you should make sure you are current. All right, so be on these groups on Facebook. Is really going to help you, and you get current information about when the school wants to start their post-UME registration. So when you find out when the school wants to start their post-UME registration, so you have to go online, their website, there's some documents you need to upload. Don't wait till maybe 1 week to the closing date of the registration. No, make sure you are current, okay, so you don't rush and make mistakes. All right, so some schools do online aptitude test or physical aptitude test, okay, and some schools also, you don't sit for any exam, you maybe just go to present your documents, your WAEC, your JAM results, the printout and all that. You don't need to sit for exam. I think LASU, you don't sit for any exam, it's just present your documents. I don't know if they're going to change this year. Also some polytechnics, you don't sit for any exams, you just present your document. It's not all schools, okay. So I hope your WAEC grades are also good. Okay, I think I'm going to do another video on the grading system for post-UME to gain admission, but that'll be later on. All right, so know your school's admission screening method. As I've told you, one tip: go on Facebook, join the school's group. okay, to get current information about the school's post UME work process. Okay, and also one key thing is, some students, all you just do is you just register your post UME for your first school of choice. No, you are limiting your admission chances to just one. Okay, if you have the finances, maybe the first school of choice might be in the east, the second might be in the north and all that. But if you have the finances, tell your parents it's of more advantage that, okay, you register the post UME for all the schools you selected, including the polytechnic. That's if you want to go to a polytechnic. But students that, even if you don't get admission in any of the university, you don't want to go to polytechnic, fine, then it means you are settled on writing JAMB again. But if you don't want to, all right, you don't want to stay back home, please, even your polytechnic, if there's a process for you to register for the post UME screening, make sure you do. Okay, I know it might cost a lot, because if you have like 4 schools, you might be paying 225. That's like 10 or 15,000 plus, coupled with transportation for the screening and all. But still, it increases your chances of admission into any of the schools. So make sure you try to apply to all the schools you selected during your JAMB registration. This is one key thing. Okay, this is one pitfall that students, you just go for only your first choice. Only your first choice you are just interested in for your post UME registration and screening. No, don't do that. Okay, try to register in others. All right, okay, so that's one tip. Okay, the second thing you need to do now is you have to start preparing now. For the post UME exam, you have to start preparing now. Yes, you've seen your JAMB results. You have to start preparing now. This is another level. This is another exam, because the questions are set by the school. You need to see OAU post UME past question. It's like further maths. In fact, it's like 100 level maths. So you have to start reading now. It is not like JAMB maths. Yeah, there are some schools that they give you easy question, but some key schools, some federal schools, the questions are hard. So you have to start practicing your post UME past questions. Okay, and we at DTW tutorials, we're going to give you some past questions. All right, all you need to do is go to this link, bit.ly/post UME dash post slash post dash UTME 2019. I'm also going to drop this link in the description box of this video, so just click on the link, fill in your details, click the post UTME past questions you want, and definitely I'm going to send it to your email box. All right, okay, so and if your post UTME past questions are not on the list, all you need to do to get the practice past question, try to find out from 100 level students of the school you're applying to, and ask them for their past questions, or go to the school campus. All right, don't let anyone don't just start paying money online. They'll say, oh, I have post UME past question, and you just go and pay. It might be fake. So why don't you take out time? Yes, it might be far. Try to find, there's always a way. Try to find a way to get the past questions from the school. You can just travel a day, okay, or maybe you have a relative in that state, beg them to help you purchase one, okay, and send to you wherever you are. All right, so you start practicing now. And on our YouTube channel, we've solved several post UME past questions on Unilag, OAU, UI, Unizik, I think Futo, Futa, and we are going to solve much more. So make sure you subscribe, okay, follow us. All right, so the next thing also to do is you have to stay updated. As I've said earlier, to stay updated, be on these Facebook groups, go to the site, the school site. Okay, this your university of choice. Every university have a website now. It is key, it's even paramount. There's no university in Nigeria, I believe, that doesn't have a website. So make sure you get the exact website of your school and always check it for updates. Don't wait on your parents or somebody else that maybe is handling your admission. Don't sit down and wait. I've seen some people that have gained admission, their list is on caps, their names are on caps, but they're waiting for somebody else, and they missed out. Are you getting me? And they missed the admissions. Their names were already published, but they were waiting. And by the way, I'm also going to do a video to let you know, to make you understand the cap system that JAMB introduced, okay, which is quite lovely. All right, so that will be later in the future. I'm going to upload that video also. So please stay updated. As I said, on the Facebook group, go to Facebook and search. Don't just be on Facebook group and play. Go and join the group. Be active there. Get current information there, and also get the school website to know when they're going to publish their post UME registration dates. Okay, so this is all you need, all right, to prepare for your post UME exam. As I said, know the screening method, get your past questions. Go to this link, okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description box, okay, of this video. Go to the link and fill in your details, click the past questions you need. I'm going to send it to you. And also, if it's not among, go to the school, send someone, try as much as possible to get the past questions and stay updated, okay, so you don't miss out. As I said earlier, most schools will start their post UME screening exercise from end of July, August, September, October, okay. That's when most schools do take theirs. I know Unilag, UI, ABU, all the schools around that particular period of time do start their post UME exams and registration. All right, and I believe that this year, if you're at alert, okay, I believe that this year you shall gain admission into university and you shall wear your matriculation gown. All right, I know you are destined to win, so please stay updated. All right, and please make sure you share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, so that they can know what to do. All right, information is power, is key. All right, so make sure you stay informed and also share this video. Any comments, please make sure you drop your comments below. And I know there have been several questions from you guys on, oh, I have this score, will I get admitted? I'm also going to try to do a video on that to answer those questions. All right, okay, so thank you for staying tuned to DTW tutorials. So if you can try to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, okay, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you from DTW tutorials. Don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. Bye.